Hello and welcome to a special edition of my tutorials. I usually upload a video only the first weekend of every month, but not today, because from today until December 31st, you will be able to watch all the TV channels from other countries online for less than €1 a month. 88 cents to be precise, or if you are watching from the US, for just $1.32 a month. And you can watch Netflix as well. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. In order to watch these channels online, you must install a VPN. From the VPN, you will choose the TV from the country you want. And that's it. It's that simple. Click on the tiny URL link you'll find in my description or copy and paste it in your browser and subscribe for the 5 years deal. After, check out my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will explain first why I chose PureVPN as the best VPN out there. Then you can find step-by-step tutorials on how to install PureVPN to your PC, tablets and even to your smartphone. Remember that not only you can use this deal, but your brother, your sister, and so on, up to 5 different devices, which comes down to less than 20 cents of a euro per month per device. This is it for today. If you liked my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening and enjoy your favorite national TV channel thanks to PureVPN. And remember that this deal is valid only from November 16th till December 31st, 2018. Ciao!